Back at the workshop here, guys. I'm back with Wukash.
It's Lucas here, hello.
Lucas, I've heard they've missed you, to be honest.
Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm back, yeah.
They're sick of my face every day.
I
Right.
have to get the beard.
You do, yeah? We look like lumberjacks then.
That's it.
Right, Lucas, what are we doing today, mate?
Well, we've got our feature wall just behind us. We've got our oak slat wall panels and we will be putting a logo today there so we can see our name.
Fresh logo.
Fantastic.
I love it.
So very soon we'll be applying it there, so we will show you some details as well.
Is that what we can hear, the lasers?
That's the laser, we can have a look.
Let's go and have a look.
So we've got our laser machine just cutting our logo. We can have a look and zoom in, see how it looks.
Oh, look at that.
Clever, isn't it? So I've got these letters which we will be attaching to the wall very soon.
Lucas, you happy with the result?
I'm happy so far.
I really hope you don't ask me to do any of that DIY stuff, Lucas. I ain't got a clue.
Well, as long as we're not going to do it upside down, we should be fine, telling you.
I think we can handle that.
A few minutes later. Three hours later. One eternity later.